and image management. So issue advocacy means you may be sponsoring something to influence political decisions by molding public opinions. So you may be addressing the specific controversial issues, presenting the facts and arguments, and then project the sponsor's viewpoint to try to influence political decisions. So for example, Pfizer advertised its access program to help uninsured peoples. Free prescription drugs when politicians were debating that the drugs, what should be the drugs coverage or in the Medicare or not, an action opposed by Pfizer. So the Pfizer was opposing that drugs should not be covered in the Medicare, while they give free prescription drugs to obtain the free uninsured peoples. So the message was an image ad in appearance, but it functioned as an advocacy. So they do the advertisements by saying that uninsured peoples can get free prescriptions, free drug prescriptions for their drugs. So they not do all the advertisement only, but also do the issue advocacy. So normally companies, they try to lobby the governments for specific issues that they are interested in. So if let's say tomorrow the government is going to make a public case, think of any scenario here. What may be the public scenario? Yeah, where the public is going to make any policy. For example, change of the business location to Nepido. That a lot of companies will not like it, right? So how they will advocate, how they will create a public opinion about this, what they should do. If they want people's government not to issue the policy that all the embassies will move to Nepido tomorrow, what they should do? It will create a public discomfort, right? We know the problem. We know the problem that people will not be able to access embassies or NGOs with the comfort what they are able to do now, because they are in Yangon. If they move to Nepido, there will be problems, not only for the company but also for the peoples. So if company cannot oppose directly, correct, because then the government will force them. So how else they can manage the issue? They involve the public. So what they should do?
Just the online?
Online is, then it will reduce their case, la? So how they will advocate a issue? They need to find somebody who is going to oppose, right? So what they will do is they will sponsor the peoples who can raise the concerns. So maybe they do the advertisement, or if now it's very easy for people to access the services, or we are able to access the services of the peoples, or we are able to serve the people because we are very nearby, right? But if the office is moved to Nepido, people have to travel along, and it will increase the cost. Accessibility will be very low. So what they should do? They should involve the peoples, communities, to try and oppose the public policy, correct? So that is called issue advocacy. You are trying to advocate or trying to sponsor an issue for your benefit. Is also called lobbying, right? So companies do lobbying for their own benefit. For example, tomorrow there will be a consumption tax, let's say on the gold. The government may want to put a gold tax. So what will happen? It will increase the cost of gold. It will affect the jewelers' business. So what the jewelers need to do now? Combine the hands and then try to create an issue, advocate the issue, sponsor the issue that the government doesn't do it. So like in India also, the people, they do it. So what they do is, because the government want to put some tax on the jewelry. So peoples, they try to create the issue out of the public sentiments that the jewelry cost will increase. People will not be able to own the jewelry. It different then. So what happened? They create demonstrations. They sponsor the organizations. They sponsor the journalists to create debates in the public space. Why the government should not do it? But they cannot they cannot go directly against the government, but they create the other ways, find the sponsors who can be the issue advocates. So they find critics, do the media, newspaper, advertisements, do the demonstration themselves directly also, but to create the power, they add critics together with them. So it's a strategic management of the issues. So what the result is, government put the tax but reversed it later on because there was too many demonstrations. Government cannot handle it. So that is called issue advocacy. You try to lobby not directly but other way around. Find your allies. But it's very important to have a